Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out not one Walmart beauty box, but two. If you are not familiar with a Walmart beauty box, it is a quarterly subscription that Walmart puts out. It comes out winter, spring, summer, and fall, and it is $6.98 plus tax, so mine's like 7 something after all is said and done. So it is something I've been getting since I've been getting this box probably since it started, and it's been around 10 years. So consistently I've been getting it, mainly because, not because it's amazing every month, but because it's so inexpensive. And when the months come that it is an absolute knockout of the park, I already have it coming, and I don't really miss the $6, $7 every 3 months. So it's a really minimal cost beauty subscription box. You will have in this box anything and everything from the Walmart beauty department. I've had hair accessories, I've had toothbrushes, I have had toothpaste, and it's usually been like the black ones that are with the charcoal, really cool stuff. I've had detangling brushes, I've had skincare, hair care, makeup, you name it. Nails, fake nails have been in here. So it's really a grab bag of just about anything you can imagine from the Walmart beauty department, which makes it a really fun thing. It's always unexpected, it's always fun, and I get two. Some of you have asked me in previous months' comments how I get two boxes. The reason I have two is one is mine and one is my sister's. You are limited to one box per profile, per email address. So I used her name and her email address. We are at the same house address, so it's delivering to the same delivery address, but your profile name and email address needs to be different, and then you can get another subscription if you want to do that. So they are not always the same. Mine come and have been different variations. Every time I always get a different one for each box. Today we have variation 3 and variation 1. We'll see a lot of times there's crossover products from one box, from one variation to the other. So we may have some things that are the same. We may have some things that are fully different. So I'm very excited. I will say thank you to anybody who watched my winter Walmart box. Up until that video, I had never even had a video hit 1,000 views. I'm a small channel. I do unboxings. It's just a hobby, but it's something I enjoy doing, and I hope you enjoy sharing them with me. But that video went over 9,000 views. I was astonished. I have never had that happen. I had something happen, another video after that go around almost 2,000 views, but that was the first one that even crested 1,000. Usually they're around a few hundred. So thank you to anybody who watched that, and I appreciate anybody who watches this one, and I hope you enjoy my unboxing today. I will say something interesting happened. Today I watched one of those YouTubers that my sister and I watch that does unboxings, and she has a lot larger audience. She has several thousand subscribers, and her videos get a ton of views, and she gets PR and all that good stuff that comes with being a larger YouTuber. And she's always done the Walmart beauty box ×1. This month she did ×2. She did hers and her sister's. So I don't know if she happened to see my last video and got the good idea to go ahead and do two unboxings. It may be totally coincidental, but I really like her channel, and if she did happen to watch my video and get a good idea from it, that is the best thing ever. So if you're watching and you did get that idea from me, I hope you did. And if you didn't, we both had a great idea. So let's check out these two boxes. We are going to start with variation 1, and this just says Walmart Spring Beauty Box. Actually, it says Beauty Box Spring 2025. And inside we have a little brochure. Usually this will have the products that came in our box, and there's your quick little preview. This box is going to be a mix of some full-size products and a lot of sample size, but for $7, it's still, even if it was all sample sizes, you're getting to try a lot of different things for almost no money. So this is our brochure, and it has a QR code for more information if you want to use it, and it should have values of everything that's in here. If it's not full size, it'll tell us the value of the full size. So we're going to start with, a CeraVe Anti-Dandruff Hydrating Shampoo. Honestly, I did not know CeraVe did shampoo. I thought they were just skincare. So this is a sample size. The full size would be 12 ounces at Walmart for $9.97. And what we have is a 1 ounce size. So this is a 12. So this is under $1 value retail, but we get to try it. If you like it, you can buy the full size from Walmart. Oh, and we got the conditioner. So we got the matching conditioner, and it again would be the same retail value for full size. And we got a 1 ounce of each. So 2 of our products are a shampoo and conditioner. I love that they included the conditioner and the shampoo. It really is a bother to me when you get just one or the other, because you really want to try both sides of that penny. So this is really cool that we get to get both of those. Our next product is from Revolution Beauty, and this is a translucent setting powder. And I'm sorry, Makeup Revolution is the brand. The full size of this would be 1.12 ounces for $7.98. And we have I think that says 0.25 or 0.35. This might be a quarter of an ounce. So a little less than a quarter of the product. So this is about a $2 value, but that's a lot of setting powder to try. That's a good amount to decide if you do like it and you like the color. This is a translucent one, so it should just be a setting powder with a little bit maybe of color to mute out if you have any, if you need the blurring, it should have a little bit of color to blur. So really cool little sample there. Our next one is a Degree 72-hour dry deodorant. The full size of this is 3.8 ounces for $6.12. I feel like we get a Degree deodorant about every other season with Walmart, maybe because they do, I mean, deodorant is seasonless. You need it year round. And these are great for traveling. You don't have to take your full size with you as if you're worrying about weight for the airplane or just space for whatever suitcase you're taking. But this is a 72-hour Degree, so that is a good little sample. And we have the, I can't read the size, but we have the little one. Now these are the sizes you can buy in the travel size department at Walmart, and usually about $3. So this does actually have a retail sales value of probably $2 or $3. So that's actually really cool. Our last product is a Nair Face and Bikini Wax. Since we're coming into summer, this is the spring box, but we're already getting ready for our summer bodies and our summer swimsuits and all these things. So this is the Orchid and Cherry Blossom Extracts. Last up to 4 weeks, and these are wax strips. And this is an 8 wax strip count. The full size would be 40 count for $6.97. So this box was all trial sizes, but still for $7.98. I'm sorry, $6.98, we get to try CeraVe shampoo and conditioner. We get to try the Nair strips. You don't want to buy the full size of this and then find out it irritates your skin, so you get a chance to try it. A very good amount of a setting powder and our ever-present Degree deodorant. So really good products, excellent value for this box. Let's see if we get any repeats in our variation. This was variation 3. So variation 3, we'll pop it open and see. We have our book again. And off the bat, I do see some duplicates, but there are definitely some new items. Almost lost one. So we do have a few carryovers in here. Let's check and see what we got. Now, our first thing we got actually is the duplicate of the CeraVe shampoo, and we do not have the CeraVe conditioner in this one. But because I get 2 boxes and you always use more shampoo than conditioner, this is not actually a lose for me, because I can use the shampoo, and by the time I get done with 2 tubes of shampoo, I'll probably be done with 1 tube of conditioner. So we have our CeraVe shampoo from the same box, or same from the last box. Our other sample that's duplicate is our deodorant. So we got 2 duplicates in this box. And we got a teensy weensy little sample of NYX The Face Glue, and this is a gripping primer. The full size of this would be 1.18 ounces for $8.97. We clearly have much less than that. I'm not sure this is even a single use. This is a very little bit. I will say I'm super glad I didn't get the NYX product that was in the video that I told you about. She got the lip plumper from NYX, and I need to tell you guys, that stuff burns like acid. She put it even on just the back of her hand and mentioned that it stung and started affecting her skin. A lip plumper should not be so strong it affects your hand skin. It's to affect your thin lip skin, just enough to plump it. But when I did get that plumper in another subscription the end of last year, it honestly felt like acid on my lips. It burned so bad, it made me cry. I had to wipe it off. It burned for long after I took it off. The same happened with Krista. I mean, I already have sensitive lips. I have something going on I've been dealing with for a while, but Krista doesn't. And she was like, if we get that in our box, it's going in the trash. Not even giving it to anybody else. It's not worth hurting somebody else. It's so bad. If you have tried it and it works for you and it doesn't burn your lips, leave me some comments if there's a difference in maybe different users don't have that same experience. I would love to know, because it was toxic. I will never ever try it again. It was so bad. Our next product in here is a Sally Hansen, and this is Perfect Press-On Salon Effects. And these are the full size. Obviously, you have a full set of press-on nails, and these are just a neutral color, just one color, just a nude. And these are a retail of $7.48. So we did get a full-size product, and this is more than the cost of our box. So we got our cost of our box right here. And these are actually a nice short length. If I was going to use press-on nails, and I have in the past, I prefer a super short one because to me, they're less annoying. But I do like a short nail, fake nail if I'm going to use it. And I have the glue and everything. It probably already comes with the glue. It comes with glue and all the stuff you need. So it's all inclusive, $7.50, pretty cool deal. We actually got another full-size product in here. We got a CoverGirl, and this is the CoverGirl Super Cloud Lash Blast Mascara. And this is the full size, and this is a $12.99 product, you guys. We didn't get any full size in the other box, but we got two in this box. So these two together are about $20 worth of retail value for the box. And then you get the other samples. It kind of makes you a little less annoyed that we got the tiny little foil packet in there too. But for this box, we got 3 samples and 2 full size for our $6.98. If you guys are interested in signing up for the Walmart Beauty Box, I will leave the link below. Somebody tried it. Several people subscribed from the video and left me comments that they were able to do it. A few people had issues with the link. I will make sure the link is a good, up-to-date link in this description. But if you have any issues with it, please let me know, and I'll try to get you a better link. But if you just Google Walmart Beauty Box, you will get the link to be able to sign up. There's no profile settings. There's no preferences. You get what you get. It's just random. But for the money, seriously, you guys, you cannot lose with this box. I encourage you to try it out. Let me know if you already get your Walmart box. If you get something that I didn't get, let me know. I would love to find out what everybody's getting. But for today, I want to thank you so much for joining me going through this box. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.